Fukushima!
This is the story of a very little man making a very little salary at a very little job in any town, USA. It's also the story of a big CEO with a big corner office of a big corporation making a very big fat salary in any town, USA. Any town, USA. As you can see here, the very little man uses his very modest salary to pay for his rent and to pay for his health care and payments on his car and buy shoes for the kids and groceries for dinner and a six-pack of beer every once in a while. Wow, the big CEO uses his big fat salary to buy several houses, shoes and foot inventory and a boat and a plane and a personal trainer and a very nice glass of wine every night at dinner. As you can see here, the CEO's salary is much larger than the average worker's salary. In fact, the average American CEO makes 185 times more than the average American worker.
At least. Numbers probably really like 1,600. You include everybody making cash, nothing.
185 times more. Well, if you take a look at this abstract pictorial rendering, you will notice that this large green square is exactly 185 times larger than this small green dot.
Very nice.
But for those of you who may not be able to think abstractly, here is another pictorial rendering. If you were to magnify this tiny ant 185 times, he would be the size of a Shetland pony! A Shetland pony! And he could carry a house on his back! Or
Crush a limousine in its mandibles!
Why? 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 Why?
Sick greed's why. Lack of tariffs. No usury laws.
This is a picture of the 10 richest members of Congress. These are the people that write all the laws about taxes and set the minimum wage and regulate the big banks.
And the entire financial industry.
In fact, every member of the Senate
Yes.
and more than half of the rest of Congress are millionaires or richer. And if you add up the total worth of the 10 richest members of Congress, it is $1,216 million.
How much is that?
Well, if you had $1,216 million in singles, you could wrap it around the world 5.5 times.
5.5 times.
Okay, so who are these people?
Very nice. Very nice.
Daryl Isa.
$355 million.
Republican California.
$114 million.
Republican Texas.
$96 million.
Democrat.
$85
Democrat
million.
Connecticut.
Senator Jay Rockefeller.
$83 million.
Democrat West
Almost
Virginia.
had fourth place.
Representative Jared Paulus.
$68 million.
Representative John Delaney.
Also $68 million.
Representative Scott Peter.
$44 million.
Senator Dianne Feinstein.
$41 million.
And Representative James Bonacci.
Coming in at 1/10 of the richest member at $35 million. These are the millionaires that run our country, and their friends work on this street. Who?
What are we supposed to do now? What do we do now?
It's up to you.
Very nice.
You decide.
Very